Hello, how are you today? So here we are supposed to continue with the topics in the book, right? So today we are going to work with countables and uncountables, right? So for example, here we have a sandwich, right? So you can count the sandwich. You can say one sandwich, 2 or 3 sandwiches, right? So the plural of sandwich is sandwiches. So as you can count the sandwiches, it is countable, right? And when something is countable, we can use how many, yes? How many in questions. So for example, you can say, or you can ask, how many sandwiches can you eat? How many sandwiches? Yes, how many sandwiches can you eat? Oof, I can eat a lot of sandwiches. Yes, you can say how many, for example, 3, 4, 6, right? So the same happens, for example, with banana, right? You can say, you can ask, how many bananas can you eat? I can eat 2 bananas a day, right? So you can use how many with sandwiches, bananas, with everything that you can count. And you can also use, for example, too many. Too many. Yes? How many sandwiches? In the question, how many sandwiches can you eat? Too many, right? Too many, a lot of sandwiches. Now, what happens, for example, if we have, let's see, another one, pling, pling, pling. I can't find it here. If we have milk, yes, what happens if we have milk? Milk is a liquid, right? Same as juice, yes, or yogurt. So what you can count is the glass. You can say a glass of milk, you can say a glass of juice, or you can say a bottle, or yes, you can say a glass of yogurt too, right? So because you are counting the containers, right? But the liquid you cannot count. So milk is uncountable. Right? So we cannot have a plural. Yes? We don't have a plural. Yes? No le podemos agregar ese because it is uncountable. So we don't use how many, we use how much. Yes? How much milk do you drink every day? How much milk do you drink every day? Yes, and you cannot say too many. You can say too much. Yes, for example, too much when it is a lot, right? And remember, you can use too many, too much, a lot, some. Yes, you can use some here, you can use some here. Yes, I drink some milk a day. I can eat some sandwiches during the week, right? But you can also say, for example, this water is not enough. I drink and I want more. all, not enough, right? So you can use not enough, yes, for uncountables or countables words, right? For example, how many, yes, how many hours, yes, hours in the clock do you sleep? For me, not enough, yes, not enough. Then how much water do you drink every day? In my case, not enough, yes. Is it clear? So now that you know too many, too much, how many, and not enough, you can complete from your workbooks, right? Think 1, page 29, yes, 29, yes. So you, in the first activity, you have to write many or much. So be careful, you have to pay attention if you can count the word, if it is countable or not. Yes, if it is countable, you have to use many. If it is uncountable, you have to use much, right? In the second part, too many, too much, and not enough. Yes, you have to look at the picture and try to use too many, too much, or not enough, right? In the other activity, you have to read and circle the correct option, right? And in number 9, you have to complete with to and the adjective, or not the adjective and enough. For example, number 1, I can't go to sleep. I am not tired enough. Yes, for example, I'm not going to eat because I am not hungry enough, right? So this is homework and we will check it on Friday, right? So take care, stay at home, stay safe, and see you as soon as possible. Bye bye.